Your podcast or YouTube channel could be bringing in hundreds or thousands of dollars every single month on top of what it already makes. I'm going to walk you through how to turn your audience into a paid community with exclusive content, private chats, and perks that get your fans excited. You'll learn how to pick the best platform, design benefits that feel valuable, set prices that make sense, promote it without sounding pushy, and keep everything running smoothly. The goal is to build something that pays you for your hard work while giving your fans something they love. You'll walk away with a plan you can start putting together today. Let's start by talking about why a paid community is such a great idea. Your podcast or YouTube channel already draws people who enjoy what you do. A paid community builds on that by offering extras they can't get from your regular content. Fans are happy to pay for things like bonus episodes, a chance to talk to you, or a group where they connect with others who share their passions. It's about creating a space that feels special, like a club they're proud to be part of. The first thing you need to do is figure out what your audience wants. Open up your YouTube comments or podcast reviews and read through at least 50 of them. Look for common themes. Are people asking for specific tips? Do they mention problems they're trying to solve? For example, if your podcast is about fitness, you might see fans asking for meal prep ideas. If your YouTube channel covers graphic design, maybe they want help with software shortcuts. Check your social media messages or emails too. Jot down the top 3 things your audience seems to care about most. This takes about an hour, but it's the key to offering benefits they'll actually pay for. Once you know what your fans want, you need to choose a platform for your community. One option is Patreon, a website built for creators like you. It lets you set up different membership levels with specific perks for each, and it takes care of collecting payments. For example, you could have a basic level for a few dollars a month that gives access to extra content, while a higher level includes a private group chat. Another choice is Discord, a free app where you can create a private server for your fans. They can join different channels to talk about topics tied to your content, and you can charge for access using something like PayPal. If you want more control, a platform like Memberful lets you build a community right on your own website. Patreon is the simplest to get started. Discord is great for fans who like chatting in real time, and Memberful works well if you're comfortable managing a website. Pick the one that feels right for your skills and your audience. Setting up your platform takes a bit of effort, but it's straightforward. If you're going with Patreon, head to their website and sign up. Create a profile that explains what your community is about, like join for exclusive cooking videos and a monthly live chat to share recipes. Set up your membership levels, listing the perks and prices clearly. For example, $10 a month gets you weekly bonus episodes and a private group. Record a short video, under 2 minutes, telling fans why you started this and what they'll get. Check that your payment settings are correct so that money goes to your account without issues. Spend a few hours getting this right. If you pick Discord, download the app and make a new server. Give it a name tied to your brand, like Lisa's Art Community. Add 3 or 4 channels based on your content. For an art channel, you could have channels for sketching tips, painting techniques, and art supplies. Write a welcome message explaining how the server works and what members can expect. To charge for access, set up a PayPal account or use a service like Gumroad. Create a link where fans pay a monthly fee, then invite them to the server manually, or use a bot like Me6 to handle it automatically. Test everything by pretending to be a member to make sure it all works. For Memberful, you'll need a website to connect to, or you can create a website with Memberful. Sign up for Memberful and follow their guide to add a membership section. Create pages for each level, spelling out the perks, like $15 a month for exclusive yoga classes and a private forum. Test the sign-up process by going through it yourself. Confirm that the payment works and members get access to what they paid for. This might take a full day, but it's worth doing carefully. Now let's get into creating the benefits that will make your community irresistible. Exclusive content is a big one. If you have a podcast, record extra episodes just for members. These should go deeper into your usual topics. For example, if your podcast is about personal finance, you could do a monthly episode breaking down how to save for a big purchase. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes so it feels worth their time. For a YouTube channel, film videos that are private for members. If you teach woodworking, create a video showing how to build a specific project with tips you don't share publicly. Put effort into making this content polished and packed with value so it feels like something they can't get anywhere else. Giving members a chance to connect with you directly is another huge draw. Fans love feeling like they know the person behind the content. Set up a monthly live video call where members can ask questions or share ideas. You can use Zoom or Google Meets for this. Plan for an hour and come prepared with a topic to kick things off. For example, if your channel is about gardening, you could start by sharing a seasonal planting tip, then let people ask about their own gardens. Make sure everyone gets a moment to chime in by calling on different names. This kind of interaction makes members feel like they're part part of something real. A space where members can talk to each other is just as important. Discord is a great choice for this. Create channels based on your niche. If your podcast is about travel, you could have channels for budget tips, destination ideas, and packing advice. Each channel should have a clear focus so people know where to post. Spend 10 minutes a day checking in. Reply to a couple of messages or post a question to get people talking, like, what's one place you're dying to visit next? This helps members bond with each other, which makes them want to stick around longer. You can also throw in smaller perks to add extra value. Early access is an easy one. If you're dropping a new podcast episode, let members listen a day or two before it goes public. For YouTube, send them a private link to your next video early. Another idea is discounts. If you sell anything, like a journal for your mindfulness podcast or a preset pack for your photography channel, give members 10% off. You could also do a members-only giveaway, like a $20 gift card to a store tied to your niche. Announce the winner in your community space to keep things fun. These perks don't take much work, but make people feel appreciated for joining. Pricing is the next big step, and it's easier than it sounds. Look up 5 creators in your niche on Patreon or similar platforms. Check out what they charge and what they offer at each level. You'll see most have memberships between $5 and $50 a month. A lower level, maybe $5 or $10, could include one perk, like bonus content. A higher level, around $25 or $50, might offer everything, including live calls or special tutorials. Stick to 3 levels at most, so it's not confusing. If your fans are younger, like students, keep prices lower, between $5 and $15. If they're adults with jobs, you can go higher, like $10 to $40. Choose prices that feel fair for what you're giving and the time it takes to make it happen. Promoting your community is how you get people to join. Start with your podcast or YouTube audience. In your next episode or video, take a minute to talk about your community. Be honest and excited, like you're sharing good news with a friend. Say something like, I'm starting a paid community where you'll get bonus videos every week and a live chat with me each month. It's a way to go deeper into what we talk about here. Put a link to your Patreon, Discord, or website in the show notes or video description. Practice what you'll say so it feels natural. Spread the word on social media too. Post a quick message on Instagram, Twitter, or wherever your fans hang out. Try something like, just launched my new community. Get exclusive content and join our live chats for $5 a month. Add a link and a photo of yourself to catch their eye. If you have an email list, write a short message to your subscribers, about 3 paragraphs long. Explain what they'll get, why it's special, and how to sign up. Give a small discount, like 5% off the first month if they join within a week. This nudges people to act fast. Your free content has to stay strong. Don't let your regular podcast episodes or YouTube videos drop in quality just because you're working on the paid community. Your free content is what keeps new fans coming and builds your reputation. If you're a fashion blogger, keep posting your outfit ideas. The paid community is for fans who want extras, like styling tips for specific events or a private group to share looks. Never make your free content worse to push people toward paying. It'll backfire. To make sure members are happy and stay part of the community, ask what they think every few months. Create a short survey with Google Forms, asking what they like and what could be better. If several people mention the same idea, try it out. This keeps members feeling heard and makes them more likely to stay. Don't let doubt stop you. You might worry fans won't join, or the tech will be too hard. Your audience already trusts you because they keep coming back to your content. Start small with 1 membership level and aim for 5 members. Tweak things as you go. Every creator learns by doing, and you'll figure it out too. What perks are you thinking of offering to your community? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.